Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the cartonic screen guard for my K20, and also we are going to check out how to apply this particular screen guard properly on any phone. So previously I have scuff marks over here and it is scratched, also it is broken. So let me just use my trusty blade to remove it off completely, and it is very much satisfying guys just to break this particular tempered glass after removing it. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever broken any phone's display due to not putting a screen guard, etc. So also I had not been changed the previous screen guard for a while, so these have accumulated all this dust and lint, etc., which we need to get rid of it. Again, let me just unbox the particular packaging of the cartronics, and I'll be giving this particular link in the description, so you all can just buy it on Amazon, and it is very cheap guys. So this is how it is, and we get a standard leaflet for just marketing purpose and all, and nothing much special about it. That's it. So seller is telling me to give 5-star rating, and this is what we get, and this is the actual screen guard which we have it. And again guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So here is a lint, and basically the way only to get rid of this particular lint is just by rubbing something like microfiber cloth, and then let me just remove the two wipes. Basically you get two wipes with every screen guard. One is the wet wipe and one is the dry wipe. So wet wipe is nothing but a alcohol based cloth which you need to rub it just to get rid of the dust particle, etc. Upon removing this, we have to just wipe this with a cleaner cloth, and don't rub it too much guys, because you might actually scratch your screen because it is not protected. And at this particular point, if there is any alcohol based, then you can just remove it with a dry cloth. And this is very much crucial because make sure that there is no lint. And what we need to do is remove the plastic from the scratch guard, and later on just apply it on the phone like this. And we have to make sure that all this particular corners are coming properly. And once you do this, all you need to do is press it gently in between. So from the center itself, it is automatically, as you can see, the bubbles are going to go. Only on the edges there will be some bubbles which you can get rid of it by just pressing on the side. And mind you, this is just going to take some time. After a certain time it is just going to be perfect. As you can see on my screen guys, it is just perfect. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out all these awesome cool videos which we have it on our channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.